Is your Windows operating system reporting the WinUSB Co-installer 2 DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. To start fixing WinUSB Co-installer 2 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the WinUSB Co-installer 2, the WinUSB Co-installer library. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized USB driver installations, ensuring that the target localized hardware correctly registers with the localized WinUSB kernel-mode driver framework. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. If WinUSB Co-installer 2 DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing WinUSB Co-installer 2 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install WinUSB Co-installer 2 DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing WinUSB Co-installer 2. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got WinUSB Co-installer 2 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.